titties! I'm going on a little vacation, which means you coming with me. Get comfortable and we will drive south the Ukrainian mountains. We will eat deliciously and have fun. Welcome to Bukovel and my life. Having checked into our room, we almost immediately went for a walk to be filled with nature. Along the way, we make sure to take Wild Cherry, a local alcoholic drink with a bright, low alcohol taste and warming the fox in autumn. And in the evening, we go to warm up in the bathhouse, coming out of which there is gorgeous view. The second day begins with a delicious breakfast at our hotel, a video review of which you can watch on my page. And after that we went to the Lake of Youth. A Ferris wheel was recently installed here, which we will know right on. And I will tell you in advance, I'm terribly afraid of heights, but I tried to smile at you. How I still love the mountains. And animals. Next to the lake there is a mini zoo of local animals that you can feed, touch only gently, as we girls know how to do, and stroke. There are sheep, buffaloes, there are stands everywhere with information about their species. Also small deer and cute llamas. And of course there is only powerful nature around. Day number 3 is a day of traveling up, and we rent a car to look at the mountains from above. The road is not easy, but we have an experienced driver who knows the area well. Forests and meadows are places where the soul is free. When I don't have answers to questions about my life, I go to the mountains. Real air and beauty all around. I definitely try to filming everything for you. And we move along the road and make stops. And this jeep takes us. So we spend this day so high and close to nature. In addition to active entertainments, this region is famous for its cuisine, which we will also be described in a separate issue. It will be very tasty. This is the last day, and it's time to learn about the history of Ukraine and Bukovel clearly. Many years ago, authentic Opryshki lived in these houses. They made shooting alcohol with stakes and exploded. We can see and touch their life in the houses of a musician, potter, molfer, and many others. Also, some houses look like a photo museum, which adds modernity. But overall, it's a fun mini village. Having settled down, we can return to the hotel. A hot spa awaits us. The road back shows that the place is well kept, and we pass a basketball court in the middle of a small town and mountains. People ride on the sky lift, so we go to the jacuzzi with a view to relax. There's little time left, it's time to go home. So I'm going home, enjoying the moments and waiting for you to subscribe to my Off TV and OnlyFans, where you can chat with me personally. See you soon for a new food video. Thanks for watching.